Okay, this is Maddy's slime recipe workshop video number 1. And what are you going to do today, Maddy?
I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime with only 3 ingredients. That has PVA glue, shaving gel. If you don't have a man's one, you can use a lady's one.
And which one are we using today?
Ladies one, because that's the only one I've got.
Because that's the one that was £1 in Poundland.
Yeah.
And what's in that? That's not water, is it?
No, it isn't. It's contact lens solution mixed up with water.
Contact lens solution, the critical ingredient that we all want. And why do we have a unicorn on the table while you're making this?
Because it makes this clip look festive. And a bit like imaginative.
A bit imaginative. Okay, so you've already mixed those 3 ingredients.
Yes.
How much of the contact lens solution did you use?
I haven't used any of them.
Yeah. So you've only mixed the 2?
Yeah.
The PVA glue and the shaving gel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Glue.
And here we go. This is the magic ingredient.
The contact lens solution, bit by bit, little by little, into the mixture.
Okay. And what does the contact lens solution do? It makes it sort of sticky, doesn't it?
Yeah, it makes it to this stringy consistency.
A stringy consistency. Okay.
And when it forms into a perfect slime where you can no longer stir it, you'll have to then put it on into your hands and play with it. And if it's way too sticky to stretch, then just
look this way.
Then just add some more contact lens solution.
So how would you rate this so far? How is this going, this little batch?
I would say it's actually almost slime now.
It's almost slime now. Now, do you put some colouring in at this stage?
Yes, if you can, but if you want to, but I don't really like to have colouring in mine sometimes, so yeah.
Okay, so look at the camera and show them this little first batch of slime. And how would you rate this out of 10?
I would say 9, but
9?
But the only mistake with it is it's a bit too sticky, so I'm just going to...
No, don't put it on your hand because it will eat your hand. Okay.
So what I've done is I've put the contact lens solution into the slime. And this has gotten a bit sticky, but now it's nice, stretchy.
Now, do you want to do your magic slime music that you use when you're kneading the slime? Do you want to put it on now? No?
You put it on.
Do you want me to put it on? But
yeah.
I can't because I'm holding the camera. You put it on. I can't. Okay, turn around and look at me. Turn around and look at me. Okay. Okay. We are multitasking here. And no prizes for guessing what music this is. It is... Yes. Yes. Is it this one?
Yeah.
This one? This is your favourite slime music, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we've got about 10 seconds left. Do you want to stand up and show it to everybody? You're close enough. Show me. Close in. Close up on the slime. Close up on the slime. Okay. Give the thumbs up to everyone. A great slime.